Hello everyone, today I will introduce you a very commonly used centrifugal pump with SB series. It's very widely used in mud circulation systems. It's also called drilling fluid sand pump. It's the best supporting pump for descenders, desilters, mixing hoppers, mud pumps, and mud guns. This series of sand pumps adopts a shafter suction structure, and the flow passing paths are made of wear-resistant cast iron. They can pump liquids containing large particles, high viscosity, and strong corrosiveness. The entire series adopts mechanical seals with good sealing effect and long service life. Our sand pumps comes in two forms. One is direct connection and the other is belt-driven. The SB series open one impeller eliminates recirculation that occurs in closed impellers. The impeller is designed to reduce turbulence, lower radical and dust loads, and provides a smooth flow of fluid through the pump.